Howdy everyone, welcome back to Hillbilly-creations. Today we're back working on the Jacobsen. As you guys see, I got my exhaust right here. I had a couple exhaust leaks I found, so then I patched that up. I just got to do some cleanup on it, and then I'm going to install a splash plate on the front of the Jacobsen to keep the starter from getting wet, and hopefully it all works. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel. It always helps on my videos, and like them too. It always gives me motivation make my videos better, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So I'm just going to clean up my welds here, and then I'm going to put my muffler back on the Jacobsen, and then I'm just going to bolt down my splash plate, and then get that all done. I got everything set up. I'm just going to do my little bit of grinds and then clean up, and then install that back on the tractor here. Okay, so change over my discs here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to clean up everything, and then I'll be back with you guys. Okay, I got everything set up. I just got to jack up the tractor, draw up the front end a little bit, and then I can get my splash plate on there. And this is only temporary. This is just till I get a grill and a hood made up for the tractor, so this is just going to prevent my starter from getting fucked up. So I'm just going to jack up the tractor, lower the front end. I already got everything unbolted, so should be able to just lift it up just a little bit. Just enough to move it out of my road. I'll be back with you guys. Just got some company. Okay guys, I got everything done now. I got the exhaust all patched up and installed back on the tractor. I installed this splash plate here to protect the starter. And the reason why I installed the splash plate today is because I want to take the tractor out. And it's been raining out for a little while now, and the river is flowing right beside the house. So I am going to try it out in the water. And no snorkel, no problem. Let's get into it. Okay guys, I got the tractor on the shop now, and I'm about to try it in this little river here to see how good it does in the water, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm just about to start tractor, and as you see, it's pouring out, so we should be able to have some fun. I apologize about the grinding. I find out the tractor does do really good in the water, but as soon as that belt gets wet, she starts slipping out of gear. So I'm going to try and figure a way out where I can build a guard so I can protect the belt from getting soaking wet, and hopefully that helps us. Oh yeah, that's it today, guys. We did a little bit of clean up and fabricating on the Jacobsen here, and we took it in the water and tried it out, and we had a little bit of fun. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure you like my videos and subscribe to the channel. It always helps out the channel. And until the next one, you guys all take care.